better hide, or else I'm eating you.
Come on! Why won't the train start?
Oh wait, the train is starting. Go quick.
Quick! I can do a wall hop to get to that building.
Oh no, the music theater looks empty. It reminds me of when I almost died on stage. This was the most scariest experience.
Hey, blue-haired internet ruler, do you know what else is scary?
Why are we in this game anyways?
Everyone hide! Homer is gonna get you, and you will never come back.
So, as I said, something more scary than you dying on stage is...
What the fuck are you doing, SpongeBob?
Guys, we only have 5 seconds left.
Chop, chop, tick, tick, chop, chop, tick, tick, chop, chop, tick, tick.
Ay, caramba!
Oh no, wait! Run!
Hey, where is everyone?
Ay, caramba!
Oh no, what do we do? Chop chop daddy chop daddy donut boy. Query we Opa 6734343343 is about to get us in, plus most of the toys has died.
Please, anyone help me. Homer is here. Don't let me die. He's about to kill me. No! Hey, Sonic. Is that you? Thanks for saving me.
Yeah.